1, 2, 3 and action.
Chocophiles, this is Elvia. We just came back from Germany. We had a very nice trip. I think I put a picture of the map last year so you can check it on our social media. We drive Germany, Italy, then we took boat, ferry, first port in Greece, second port, the second is Patras, right?
Yes.
Patras, then boat again to Crete, and we are finally here after driving and traveling in boat. It's been a long but wonderful trip. So, I want to show you, we were first in Bayern, and of course we have to visit the fine chocolate, it's a cafe, yeah, they did a cafe and a chocolate shop too. So, please, can you show, I will explain you what we do today. This is the Andrea Muschler pralines. This is the special edition of the winners by the International Chocolate Award. This is a 65 Grand Cru, I think it means single origin. And we also went to Rausch, we went in Berlin, yes. We have friends there, I'm starting to love Berlin. So, and we got single origin too. And we have tried this brand before, this and this, so I will tell you a little bit. Okay, so let's start. I think it's better if I put it here. Oh, I should have put it here. Yeah. Okay, so please remember it was a very long trip. They have traveled so much. We drive, we travel in boat, so if they are not nice, please don't be judgmental. Don't judge them, don't be hard with them if they are not nice. It's been a very hard and difficult trip, okay? So, I think this they have two prices for the pralines, the normal pralines, and this is the special editions. Well, here you have the QR, and this is the pralines that have win a prices by International Chocolate Award. So you have to pay some more euros to get the winners collection, right? So, okay, this is nice. I got that by German brands too, and by a Peruvian brand too. I will tell you maybe in the stories. You see, it's a beautiful catalog, good paper. Yeah, I got something similar by another German brand, you might remember. Go check the stories. Okay, and please don't be judgmental. Okay, they are okay. They have a little bit, maybe altered the colors because on the trip, but this is normal. Don't think they are bad. I think this is just for the change of temperature, okay? But remember, this is the winter edition. This is perfect. The milky, it's okay. The other ones is a little bit, change a little bit the color. I will make it nicer for a picture maybe, but so this must be with salt. This is nips. This is the, I didn't know it was winter too. Must be ginger or orange. I will check it. So this is the good part. Yeah, this is the nice part. But oh, they have traveled so much, but I think they are nice. This must be milk. Okay, this is number one. We're going to try them. Yep. Later, I will try to make nice pictures for you. What should I do? It's so nice. Okay. Okay, so this is the winter collections, and this is Andrea Muschler. They have like they have many versions in the web. When I went to the store, I think they have like 6 versions. This is the 65. This is usually the percentage I like. Grand Cru means, I think in this case, single origin. And in Rausch, also very nice. Selected personally packed with love from the heart of Berlin. Yeah. And this also has a nice package. I just want to show you briefly. I open it here, yes. Just want to show you the inside. It's empty. We couldn't wait. I just make a picture that is not so good. They were good too. And this is hashes. They are from, let me see, Bremen. Yes, they are from Bremen. I have tried them before. I like the 70%. I bought the 70%. Yes, one was the only 70%, and the other one was with orange, I think. Now I got six. Now I found 66 and 55. This is usually, as you see, the percentage I like. I like 50, 55 until 65. So let's see. Maybe we can make a simple comparing. And well, this you can, here you can also see this is a tasting guide. Yeah, it's interesting. Maybe we can use them. See, this is a tasting guide. Yep. It's in German. Please be patient. I don't speak so much German now. I'm sorry, I jumped. I was so excited. I jumped from the pralines to hashes, but I forgot to talk about the Rausch single origin. Again, this is the percentages I like. This is Madagascar, and this is 75 Costa Rica. On internet, you can see they have a very nice project in Costa Rica. So please go to the web and check. They have a finca called Finca 3X, and they have been in Costa Rica since 2014. So they have a beautiful project. All is very sustainable in the finca. And I already told you about hashes.
Aches.
Haches, okay. Again, be patient with my German. We have tried this brand again. It is by Confissier Root. We only get the 85. Harald got like the 35% with nuts. We got it and it's finished. We don't have it anymore. And they also have single origins. So, okay, now this is it's been very brief. My hair, not in the chocolate. Okay, I wanted to make this with you. The Andrea
Muschler. Andreas Muschler.
Andreas Muschler.
Von Freising.
From Freising. But we especially sleep close to Freising, right? We especially sleep close to Freising only to go in the morning and go shopping for you and for us, right? So this is probably one of the best brands in Germany about chocolate, about specialty chocolate. And we have friends in Berlin, so there is many places where you can get chocolate in Berlin. So this is only the beginning. We have got chocolate from Berlin from two places. So this is the second place we visit. We should make a special tasting for them. And we already got another two German brands that we know. We have tried them before, but we haven't tried the pralines. We haven't tried the pralines of Aches, and we haven't tried the pralines of Confissier Root. They have pralines, but I think they are close to our house. They are in Bochum.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they are in Bochum. Okay, so just to finish, please remember, it's important, if you want more information, always in our social media. We are with the same name, Bonito Food Fans, in Instagram and Facebook. It's important you subscribe to the YouTube channel, you share. We are happy to read your comments. And well, this is the another second scene. We are now in summer. This is very hot here. We are with the airco. I am barefoot.
Barfuß.
Okay,
Okay, this is not so important.
It's very important. I want to show you something. I told you, I mean, we have drive, Germany, Italy, cross a little bit of the Mediterranean, and we use our cooler. Can you come, Hannah? Harold said we have to buy a new cooler, and no, you know I'm very ecologist. I like to use things as long as it's possible. So what we did is we put many of these. We have like 4 and one more. It was crazy, but it helped us, right? It saved us. I mean, we have traveled in spring and summer, so it has helped us very much. This is old, but it's vintage. It's still nice. So this is also might be also one of the reasons for the temperature, that they have a little bit changed the color, but it's something very small. I can make a nice picture for you. So this is all for now. Well, this is Elvia. See you, Chocophiles. Bye.